Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Chromebook CM14 series. So friend, ASUS has announced the newest addition to the ASUS Chromebook family, the 14-inch ASUS Chromebook CM14 and ASUS Chromebook CM14 Flip. And friend, it comes with a fresh, stylish look and flexible design. These dynamic laptops are primed to boost productivity and empower fun all day and every day. Trend is powered by an efficient MediaTek company of 520 processor and with up to 15-hour battery life, and the new CM14 models deliver the freedom to stay productive and throughout the day. And these attractive and modern laptops also open a gateway to the best of Google, including the rich library of apps for work and easily found on Google Play, and benefit from Wi-Fi 6 for fast, stable connectivity at home, at office, and in the classroom or on the go, and comes with smooth performance, robust security, and convenient feature. These all new ASUS Chromebooks are ideal for empowering seamless entertainment and productivity for everyone. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.